Today is September 15th, 2023, and I am going to make butter beans. So these ones are straight from my garden. I just shelled them and I put the shells in the grinder, and I'm going to throw this back for mulch in the garden. And we've got many more coming. So this will be my first time ever cooking my own homegrown beans. So I wanted to record it because I actually go back and watch my videos, and then I'm like, oh yeah, I'm going to make that. So I found this recipe, and it calls for tomatoes, it calls for basil, it calls for lemon, and I have homegrown tomatoes, and I picked these last night, and I still got to clean them. And there's more to pick. I've got many more out there to pick. This is another variety this is the first out of my 10 tomato plants. These ones were green for a really long time, and I was able to pick it yesterday. And there's still a lot of green ones, but I don't even know what variety this is, but I'm definitely gonna grow it again. It's so pretty. I've got tons of these little ones that are coming every single day. I cannot keep up with the squash. I need to cure that squash. Look at, I've got seeds and flowers everywhere. It's crazy. And these ones are cured, and those squash are cured. My mom, she found more baskets for me because I'm like running out of baskets to collect all the veggies that the Lord has given us. So yeah, okay, sticking to the recipe, I am going to go pick some basil from my garden. And we've got plenty of beans. If you wanted to plant your own beans, you just basically buy a bag of beans at the store, or just get a pound or a half a pound or a quarter of a pound, and you stick them in the ground or in a pot, and you water them. And so yeah, so I'm gonna make these beans like I would pinto beans, so an hour and a half in boiling water. I'm gonna drain it. Then I want to add some lemon, and then I'm gonna add some basil, some tomatoes, garlic. Yep, we've got all the goods. I've got some lemon here because I made some lemon blueberry muffins the other day that were pretty good. I could do better, but they were good. Okay, so yeah, I've got to water all my little baby plants. Got my starts. It's already warm. It's 70. Oh, yeah, it's about 70 degrees. I was doing my inside chores, washing and cleaning, and I thought, you know what, I'll start dinner. These are my tomato plants, and that's just one tomato plant, and they're just full of fruit. Indeterminate, so they're coming. And I've got, so these are my new starts. These are more beans that I'm growing from seed. These are about 10 days old. Yeah. So I'm going to have plenty of beans. If you look at the one in the corner there, let's see, right there, that's where my beans came from. And it's just a beautiful plant that just keeps giving. So, my chickens. Hey, buddy. Hey, bud. So on that note, I'll leave this one short, and I'll make part 2 of how the butter beans came out. Okay.